a wonderful good day and a warm welcome to a new video. Today we're going to reset the service for the A-Class, where we've done a lot of service work. I'll show you how it works, and here we go. Super important when you want to reset the service, there are different ways to do it. We can of course use this key combination, but it can also be done with a diagnostic tool. For this model, there are 3 different methods, depending on the multifunction steering wheel. It's crucial to know which steering wheel you have, as the process varies slightly. Let's dive into the details step by step and get started right away. So, we have this rectangular one here. I'd say it's quite rectangular, yes, almost. That's why pay attention to how the multifunction steering wheel looks in our video. That's why it's important. This is an A-Class, model year 2013, and yes, here we're resetting the service. And I'd say let's get started. So how do we reset the whole thing? It's actually quite tricky for me to film this because it's going to end up looking a bit blurry for you. And I hope it's sharp on the display, so here's what we need to do. Trunk, hood, and doors. Make sure they all stay tightly closed. We need to get into position 1.0. Snap into position 1. Then it's absolutely crucial to adjust the multifunction steering wheel display so that it clearly shows the odometer reading. Southie's got it with us as well. If not, you can press the 2. Here until the mileage is displayed on the screen for you. So, when the mileage is displayed on the screen, we'll need to navigate and select the trips section in the display right now. So now it's very important when trips lights up for us, so press the button, then we need to pick up and hang up the phone buttons, hold them down simultaneously, and then press OK. So we're pressing the button now. To get trips to light up, we'll press both buttons together and then hit OK. Then we enter this Assistant Plus. So once we're inside the Assistant Plus, we can scroll down here to access the Assistant Plus. For that, we need to navigate to full service. We can also check out the service data available there. We are now 108 days overdue and need to perform service code A1. Let's proceed over here right now. Go here on back. Go again on total service. Then go here on confirm service. Service performed. A return is still possible. Okay, confirm. Most likely because I had already attempted to do it earlier on before. Definitely because I had already tried it before, had already experienced it. But definitely, you can always check the service data here. So, the next service is due in 365 days or 15,000 kilometers. Here's how you can manually reset the entire thing if needed. Easy, right? Exactly, that was basically it. Let's go ahead and do it again, just for fun. So, once more, really quick. Turn on the ignition. The important thing is that the mileage lights up on the display. Then press the button to the left once, then trips will light up for you. Then hang up, hold answer, then press O. Then this whole thing lights up. We go down to Assistant, it's a plus. Go to Full Service, where you can also check the numbers, select the full service option, confirm the service, choose the oil, yes, and then proceed to confirm your selection. In that case, just take it back in a similar manner, yes, and then you're already all set and ready for the next service ahead. So you can reset the whole thing, and then back, and ignition off. Alright guys, I hope the recordings worked out. It's always a bit tricky to film when you have to focus on the steering wheel and the speedometer, so I hope it worked. If so, the video will go online, or well, maybe not. So what else is there really to say about it, honestly speaking? Just that. It can be a bit complicated if you don't know how, kind of like with cars or other professions in general, I guess. And yeah, if it still helped you out, drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'd say more videos will pop up here that you can check out and watch whenever you're ready. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription, and drop a comment below letting us know which cars we should reset the service for next. And I'd say, until next time, bye.